What if you could live a second life, a life where you are the god of your own universe? A world where you can fly, control time, and manifest anything you desire, all while tucked safely in your bed. This isn't science fiction. It's the incredible reality of lucid dreaming. Tonight, you're not just going to dream. You're going to take control. So, get ready, because we're recounting down the top 10 most mind-blowing things you absolutely have to try in a lucid dream. Stick around to the end, because the last one might just change your entire perspective on reality itself. Let's kick things off with number 10. Become a superhero. Forget walking or running. In a lucid dream, the laws of physics are merely suggestions. The moment you realize you're dreaming, just will yourself to lift off the ground. Feel that incredible sensation as your feet leave the floor and you float towards the ceiling. Then, launch yourself through the roof and soar through the night sky like Superman. The feeling of the wind rushing past you, the city lights twinkling below like a sea of stars, it's more real than you can ever imagine. You can even try other powers. How about teleportation? Think of a place, any place in the world, the top of the Eiffel Tower, a serene beach in Bali, and just be there. Or what about telekinesis? Point at a car and lift it with your mind. It's your dream, your rules, your powers. Coming in at number 9. Live the billionaire lifestyle. Ever scrolled through social media and wondered what it feels like to have unlimited money? Well, in your dreams, your bank account has infinite zeros. Walk into the most exclusive high-end designer store you can imagine. Don't even look at the price tags. Just start grabbing everything you want. The best part? It's all free. Load up your arms with luxury goods, then step outside and conjure the keys to a Lamborghini or a Bugatti. Feel the roar of the engine as you speed down an empty highway with no speed limits and no consequences. You can build your dream mansion in seconds, host the most extravagant party ever thrown, or simply enjoy the feeling of absolute financial freedom. It's a fantasy you can live out every single night. At number 8, we have something truly transformative. Why stay human when you can be anything? This is one of the wildest and most profound experiences you can have. Think about what it would feel like to be an animal. A great eagle, for instance. Feel your arms stretch and transform into powerful wings. Your vision becoming impossibly sharp. Launch yourself from a cliff and soar over vast oceans and majestic mountains, seeing the world from a perspective you never thought possible. Or maybe you want to be a dolphin, gracefully slicing through the warm ocean water, communicating with clicks and whistles. You could even become a mythical creature like a dragon, breathing fire and casting a giant shadow over the lands below. It's an exercise in empathy and imagination that is simply impossible in the waking world. Swooping in at number 7. Travel through time and space. Your mind isn't bound by the linear progression of time. In a lucid dream, you can become a true time traveler. Do you want to witness history firsthand? Command your dream to take you to ancient Rome, walk through the Colosseum in its prime, hear the roar of the crowd, and see gladiators in action. Or maybe you're more of a futurist. Jump forward 1,000 years and explore a cyberpunk city with flying cars and towering neon skyscrapers. You can even visit personal moments from your own past, re-experiencing a cherished memory from childhood with vivid clarity, or go beyond our world entirely. Stand on the red sands of Mars and gaze at the Earth in the sky, a tiny blue marble. The entire cosmos is your playground. For number 6, let's bring it back to reality. Sort of. Master real-life skills. This is where lucid dreaming becomes an incredible tool for self-improvement. Are you terrified of public speaking? In your dream, conjure a massive auditorium filled with thousands of people. Step onto the stage and give the speech of your life. Your heart might pound at first, but then you'll remember, this isn't real. There are 0 consequences for failure. You can practice again and again, building unshakable confidence that will carry over into your waking life. You can use this for anything: rehearsing a difficult conversation, practicing a new language with a native speaker conjured by your mind, or even perfecting your golf swing. It's the ultimate simulator, perfectly tailored to you. Halfway through our list at number 5, indulge in an epic feast. Food in lucid dreams can be a whole other level of sensory experience. Imagine a banquet table that stretches to the horizon, laden with every delicious food you can possibly think of. Foods you've never tried, fantasy foods from movies, or even dishes that defy description. The best part: no calories, no allergies, no getting full. You can taste a pizza made of pure chocolate, drink from a river of your favorite soda, or eat a cake that sings when you cut into it. The flavors can be more intense and more satisfying than anything in the real world. It's pure, guilt-free indulgence and a feast for your senses in every way. At number 4, we get a little more introspective. Meet and talk to anyone. Your dream world is populated by characters created by your own subconscious. This gives you a unique opportunity. You can choose to meet anyone, living or dead, real or fictional. Want to get advice from Albert Einstein or have a jam session with Jimi Hendrix? Your mind can create an incredibly realistic simulation of them based on everything you know. You can also use this to find closure. You can have a conversation with a loved one who has passed away, saying the things you never got to say. These dream characters can offer profound comfort and wisdom, acting as a reflection of your own inner thoughts and feelings. It's a deeply personal and often healing experience. Now, for our top 3, number 3. Create and explore your own worlds. Move over, video game designers. You have the most powerful graphics engine in the universe, your brain. You don't just have to visit places, you can create them from scratch. Imagine a world and watch it materialize around you. Build floating islands connected by rainbow bridges. Design a forest where the trees are made of crystal and the ground glows with soft light. Construct a sprawling fantasy kingdom and rule as its benevolent king or queen. You are the architect, the designer, and the explorer. There are no limits to the worlds you can build and the adventures you can have within them. Every night can be a journey into a brand new, undiscovered country of your own making. This brings us to our runner-up at number 2. Confront your fears. Nightmares are just lucid dreams you haven't taken control of yet. When you become lucid within a scary dream, everything changes. That terrifying monster chasing you is no longer a threat. It's a creation of your own mind. Instead of running, stop. Turn around and face it. You can try talking to it and asking why it's there. You'll often find it represents a fear or anxiety from your waking life. By confronting it in the dream, you can rob it of its power. You can fight it and win, befriend it, or simply make it disappear with a thought. It's an incredibly empowering way to understand and overcome your deepest anxieties, turning your worst nightmares into your greatest triumphs. And finally, the number 1 most mind-altering thing to do in a lucid dream: talk to your subconscious. This goes deeper than just meeting a dream character. It involves seeking out the very core of your dream self, often personified as a dream guide or the dream weaver. Before you fall asleep, set the intention to meet this guide. Once you're lucid, you can call out for them. Ask, "Show me what I need to see," or "What is the meaning of my life?" The answers you receive can be startlingly profound. This entity, which is really just a deeper part of you, can offer insights into your purpose, help you solve complex problems, and reveal hidden truths about yourself. It's a conversation with your own soul, a direct line to the vast, untapped wisdom that resides within you. This isn't just a cool dream trick. It's a powerful spiritual and psychological journey. So there you have it. 10 incredible adventures waiting for you the moment you close your eyes. Lucid dreaming isn't just about fun and games. It's your personal sandbox for growth, healing, and infinite exploration. It's your second life. Which of these are you dying to try first? Flying, time travel, or maybe having that deep chat with your subconscious? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn exactly how to wake up in your dreams and start having these experiences tonight, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Thanks for watching, and sweet dreams.